Good morning. Welcome.
No, Daniel, that's my line. Good morning and welcome to another product info session presented to you by Cernal Chemicals. Or as you know it by now, speak a bietjie soaps. Speaking of soaps, as always, a grote hier to my right, me, myself and I, Stefan. And today, Daniel, we're doing the laundry detergent. Liquid.
Yes, our liquid laundry detergent.
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, Stefan, if you are struggling to get your fabrics or so clean, this is the answer. Very industrial product as well. Some of our clients is like a Supreme Laundry, so they wash the state hospitals, bed linen and all that, and we actually tested this product with them until we got it right. So yes, our liquid laundry detergent, directions of use, for heavy soiled wash, 350 ml per 50 kg wash.
350 ml per 50
kg wash.
So it's highly concentrated.
So it's very high concentrated, very economical to use, as well for the most effective way to get the best results is to wash in a high temperature from 60 degrees up to 70 degrees Celsius. Yeah, and basically like that is it.
Okay, and you said if you would say the state hospital, I would assume it works exceptionally well on your protein stains.
Protein stains, yes, on your blood stains and that.
Blood stains,
yes.
protein stains.
Yes, it's also a very good whitener for your white bed linen. We have tested it with some hotels.
Yes.
Where they actually gave compliments, say it brings out quite the whiteness in their white bed linen.
And it doesn't harden the fabric.
No.
If I can say that, because most of your industrial or some of the other products out there is effective when it comes to the whitening, but after 2-3 washes, the fabric itself gets extremely hard.
No, that's not the case with it.
Great. Availability,
5 liter up to 25 liter, and then bulk up to 200 liter to 1000 liter.
As you should know by now, we manufacture the products in Windhoek, Namibia. So I mean any bulk container you bring.
Yes.
We make it and we put it in, and you take it, you clean it. It comes down to that. So Daniel, the safety precautions of laundry detergent, I would assume if you take less than a shot glass, you would be fine. More than a shot glass it's
No, I would suggest you don't take a shot glass at all. No, okay, yeah, but it's not a corrosive product. Obviously, don't drink it or so. But yeah, you don't have to use gloves or anything. Simple as use. So yeah.
That's fantastic. We are going to a demonstration video. Have a look at the video.
So a bit of a before and after.
Witness the power of the product. The data sheet is also available if you would have any other questions. And if the video and the data sheets can assist you, please contact either Grote or myself, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you, Daniel, for your time, and thanks for joining us. See you again.
Cernal Chemicals, get your laundry out.